tutorial, I'm going to talk about database field tag validation. So here we have very basic example. We have a customer's Excel file, and first field is custom ID. And as you can see, for done, we have incorrect ID because it should be always a number according to our database, and it should be always integer or big integer. So let's try to run it and let's see what happens. So just run it. Okay, it failed, which is expected. We are loaded data into SQL Server. And let me just show you the data. Here it is. As you can see, it is loaded first 3 records. If you load data using a DBC, you might see different results. You might see that everything was loaded except filing record. What we can do, because we want to load everything except this one, we can omit validator and add validation rule to it. We do have number of rules. For example, we have is number, is integer, is possible, is alpha, etc. I think we have is date as well and is time. So in our case, since we're dealing with integer, we will use is integer validation function. So we just add it. And we double click on it and say, okay, if it is failure, so it is not integer, we would like to discard the record because we don't need it. We don't want to write message to the log file. And if we click preview, process data, see, okay, it is not failing. But when we click on this one, see, it failed, so which is expected. So let's try to run it again and see what happens. See, as you can see, so we read 9 records, rejected 1, discarded, loaded 8. And let's check our database, what happens. Okay, we have 8 records, so everything is working as expected. As you can see, checking data feels rather easy. Data types. And if you have any questions or suggestions or confused how our software works, please go to our support forum and post your questions there. And you might be surprised how fast you will get the answer. Please like and subscribe and share. Thank you, bye.